Welcome back everyone. In this video I will be talking about what were my friends' reaction when they come to know I have some disease called ADPKD or a disease related to kidney. So the reactions were quite many. First reaction, couple of them gave me like, "Are you serious? How it can be? Means how can it happen to you? You live so healthy life, you don't drink, you don't smoke, you don't party out, you eat last 20-25 years you are eating uh, very seriously, no fatty food, no spicy, nothing. How it can happen to you? A kidney problem." uh, then some reaction is like this. uh, some say denial, like, "Yeah, I am also having something," which is another terminal thing. So they were actually not believing that their friends, their friend is having some disease. And uh, then some, when they come to know like it is a genuinely a disease, then they start saying that, "Okay, go to this doctor, we know this doctor who is good, and very famous doctor in Kolkata and other places." Some were recommending like Ayurvedic, some recommending homeopathic, some recommending naturopathy. So everyone were concerned how my disease can be treated. uh, I thank all of my friends who were concerned, and one of the reaction was given by two-person, and both of them said, "Okay, uh, we will give you our one kidney." And I was flabbergasted, and in fact I am so touched by their this concern that they want to save me. And they are not my they know me for a short while, and this reaction did not came from immediate family member. They are friend, they are like family. But without thinking that what can be the consequences, their reaction is that, "Yes brother, we are going to so let's go for test etc and see if uh, my kidney can be given to you." I'm really touched, and I was not expecting, but it was really uh, the reaction. uh, then many were saying that you don't have to, like, recommending like, "Go for this place and that place, and there is this doctor is there or a hospital is there. I am going to schedule all your meeting and pay for all your cure and everything." the there are many types of kidney disease. There are many people who are with a kidney disease, and every kidney disease is a little different. Now my disease is a different, and other kidney diseases are different. And in all kidney disease, the one of the common thing happen is that a person swells up when their blood pressure is not maintained, or they are eating a salty food, or their body is not purifying thing. Some people can swell up if their body is producing more uric acid, and swelling is common. And but I seriously find that I have very good friends. They were all genuinely concerned. Still they call me and ask how I am doing, and how it can be helped. Some people say that we will try to find a kidney donator for you, etc etc. So I sincerely thank my friend, and in the next video I am going to talk about, because by this is a third week, or 20-25 days, I have less idea about my disease. Next week I will talk about what other doctor I have visited and what all happened to you. Thank you. Bye bye. If you find this video can help anyone who is going through some kind of kidney disease, you can forward them. Bye bye.